Are you looking to maximize cash flow across all of your rental properties? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 things you must be doing in order to maximize your cash flow in any real estate market. Number 1, set the right rental price. You need to research your market and determine what the going rate for rentals are that are very similar to yours. Be sure to be competitive in your price so that you're actually going to attract top quality tenants. You also want to set a price that maximizes your profits. With that being said, if you have a 2-bedroom property, you don't want to charge what a 1-bedroom property is going for, but you also don't want to charge what a 3-bedroom property is going to go for. You want to make sure you're maximizing your return for the units that you have so you can always maximize that cash flow. Number 2, reduce your expenses. Look for ways to reduce your expenses, such as negotiating lower rates with service providers or shopping around for the best prices on supplies, maintenance services, property management, pretty much anything you can think of. If you fight for a lower price and better deals, you're gonna maximize your cash flow across your total investment. Number 3, be proactive about your maintenance and repairs. Regular maintenance and repairs can help you prevent costly problems down the line. By keeping your property in great, pristine condition, you can avoid losing money due to extended vacancies, having to discount your rental rate to attract tenants, and overall just having to deal with more costly renovations. I always say, spend the money now so you don't have to spend double the money later. Number 4, consider offering additional services and amenities. Now, I'm all about adding values to property, and it doesn't change here. If you have a property, you can help add value and charge higher rental rates with different amenities and services. If you're in a condo, offer a pool, offer the gym. Additional services like laundry, parking, storage, these can all be charged to make sure you maximize your cash flow on your investment. If I'm a tenant, I want to make sure I'm having the best stay possible. And as a landlord, if you can offer different amenities from your competition, you can ensure you're going to get the highest rent possible and maximize that cash flow. Number 5, rent to long-term tenants. Long-term tenants are more likely to take good care of your property because, let's face it, they actually live there. They're unlikely to cause disruptions, unlikely to frequently turn over, and hopefully if you do it right, you're gonna avoid late rent payments. By offering incentives to these long-term tenants, such as discounted rates, flexible leases, or even some really cool amenities, you can increase your cash flow, reduce your vacancy, and maximize your investment. By simply implementing these 5 strategies, you can increase your cash flow on all your rental properties and maximize your profits. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. My name is Isaiah Henry with First Position Real Estate, and if you're looking to get more involved in real estate, I highly suggest you check out my book, The Rookie Real Estate Investor. It covers the basic fundamentals of getting started, and it's a great place to start and grow your real estate investing career. Make sure to tap that big red subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video for more real estate investing content. My name is Isaiah Henry, First Position Real Estate, signing off.